Hi, good morning. This is Ching, and I would love to share with you my newest Qigong, the contemporary Qigong I just choreographed a week ago, actually. The reason it was inspired by Dozer. Dozer is a service dog with one of my clients. So Dozer has been with us every class when he comes with my client. So he's so amazing. You know how hard it is to train a service dog. But sadly, Dozer passed away about 2 weeks ago. This kind of prompted me to do something in memory of his presence and also relate to everybody in our life. So the title of this Qigong is in memory of our loved one. I love to share with you. There's like a little poetry goes to it. My parents passed away not during COVID-19. And of course, this past year, this is May 23rd, 2021. So we all have gone through the COVID-19 about a year and a half now, over a year and a half. So I can understand we're all sharing something. And I will, even my parents did not pass during COVID-19, but this helped me to thank them and with my gratitude too. You can put a name, your loved one, your pet, your whoever that you would love to talk to, and when you practice. Okay, here we go. I'm going to share with you. I will do it twice. So it's right and left, right and left. Okay, here we go. This is the part one. The part one, you will learning the movement. Of course, focus on the reverse abdominal breathing, spine movement, and rooting. Part two will be the next video, which we'll do it with transferring weight. The part three will be traveling. So this is the part one. In memory of our loved ones. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for all your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. Second set. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. I'm going to turn sideways. You can see a little better how the spine moves for the last one. To my beloved mom and dad, I can feel your spirit. Thank you for your love and teaching. Over the rainbow you reside. In the forever heaven. And that's it. Next week, we're going to the part two of transferring weight. Enjoy your day and see you next time. Take care and peace.